Hi, thank you so much for coming back and checking my video. And for the newcomers, please don't forget to like, that's very important, and to subscribe. And please try to watch in full. Gawin po nating tama ang pag-subscribe. Thank you. If you haven't checked my previous video, please check my Christchurch travel series. As you can see, di lang po kayo matatakam sa food, you will also get hungry with the beautiful sceneries. These are my recent travel from September onwards. If you don't know, we are COVID-free in the community. If you don't know, New Zealand is one of a few countries in the world who's enjoying freedom because we are COVID-free in the community. So wag po kayong magtataka bakit po ako nakakagala. Sama lang po kayo sa gala namin at mag-enjoy. So our next stop is this Polynesian spa. You will see this just right outside the bush from the sulfuric bath pools. Please check my previous video about that. As you can see, there's no people around walking. It's because I try to avoid them for privacy, because this is how it is here in New Zealand. And also, there is no international tourist around. So please let us enjoy and have a look around. You will see some New Zealand products here. So sa loob po ito ng spa. There is a coffee shop and ice cream nearby, so we better have a little break from walking and going around. Here in New Zealand, most ice cream shops are making their own ice cream. Mamili na po tayo anong flavor. They have some all-day breakfast menu plus some snacks. The food, they can warm it up for you. Since we had our breakfast that morning, so we only ordered just a few snacks. As you can see the cost here in New Zealand. Since we didn't intend to have a spa, so after eating, we just venture outside for more strolling. And here is the surrounding nearby the spa plus their car parks. As you can see, there's also a site for a motorhome or camper vans here. Let's just have a look around. Bago rin po kasi ito sa akin at matagal na po kasi akong hindi nakabalik dito. So everything is different. While on the way back, we found a nursery. Hindi po siya nursery for kids. Nursery po siya para po sa mga plants. So, I'm asking the plantitos and the plantitas dyan. Marami po dito. Some of the trees are native from New Zealand. So, some of them, they already nursed by the professional here in the garden center. So, pwede nyo na po silang bilhin, malaki na. So, itatanim nyo na lang po sa inyo. So, you can also do your own landscaping by going to the garden center. Every village, town, or cities all over New Zealand have a garden center. New Zealand people is a DIY people. They also love to do it your own way. Mamili na po kayo kung anong gusto nyo pong plants or trees para itanim sa inyong backyard. And then of course, we cannot bring it home, so we move on. Our next stop is this mini golf, or there is also a professional golfing here. We got curious, so we enter, and since my son wanted to try and do this, so pinagbigyan ko po siya. And this is the mini golf for kids. And these are the prices. As you can see, they also teach you how to do golf. If you want to do some professional golfing, they can teach you how. As you probably all know, golfing is not for everyone. As you can see, yung mga presyo po nila, you have to buy all these equipments to do the golfing if you want to be professional. And of course, you have to have your own personal equipment. But mostly, some of them are this is just a hobby for them. So let me show you around how it goes. This is for kids, the mini golf. My son enjoyed it actually. And on the other side, you can see these people. They are learning how to properly swing their golf club. Dapat po kasi marunong muna mag-swing kasi dito po malalaman kung gaano kalayo yung ranges na makukuha ninyo bago kayo sumabak sa tunay na pag-golf. Now we're going back to the city center. As you can see, ito po yung mga madadaanan namin. And so really beautiful because some of them are just being renovated. It was a old hub before. Here in New Zealand, there is always a community education. It's either free or with pay. So kung ano man po yung passion nyo or hobby, pwede nyo pong matutunan. And while walking, we found this sulfuric hole. If you don't know yet, please check my previous video about the sulfuric bath pools. Marami po talagang holes dito. So kailangan po talaga na meron po silang fence kasi delikado po. And since there is no international tourist, so close po muna ang Maori village. They usually have some shows here and they dance their native haka dance. Maganda po yung performances nila, very lively po. And so we stopped by to admire this tree. As you can see, puno po siya pero punong-puno po siya ng bulaklak. Hindi ko po alam ang pangalan ng tree na to, so pasensya na. All the plants and the trees are abundant with flowers because of the environment. Kasi po yung environment doon dahil sa sulfuric din po, kumbaga para pong pataba na rin sa kanila. Since Rotorua was formed because of the volcano, so talaga pong mataba yung lupa. As you can see, napakaganda po ng mga bulaklak dito. It was really an eventful day for us. Plus, we witnessed a very nice wedding, as you can see. So this concludes the end of my video. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for more videos to come. Marami pa pong travel series na darating. Please come and join us. Thank you!